In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $195,110 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic without investing any money. I will show you guys which affiliate links I was promoting on YouTube. I was promoting a lot of affiliate links, and in today's video, I will share with you one of my profitable affiliate link that got me a lot of commission and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share for free. And as you can see in my balance over here, I have $9,210 available in my balance. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month, and I will still get more commission in next few days. So anyways, for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, after you finish, just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So what you need to do next, you just need to click on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next, now you need to choose a good service that you will promote on YouTube. So how you can find good services, I will share with you my method. So what you will do, you will go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, so first, why I choose YouTube? So did you know that YouTube has 30 billion monthly visitors? Okay, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. Millions of people every single day are using YouTube to search for services, products, specific topics, and so much more. Okay, and I know people who are making millions of dollars just by promoting affiliate links using YouTube, free traffic. Okay, because there is so much traffic from YouTube. Okay, 13 billion monthly visitors, this is a big number. Okay, so anyway, so what you will do, just go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search. You will use YouTube search. So for example, I will ask, use YouTube search and ask any question, how to create, for example, digital, and here you go. So as you can see, people just ask any question and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. Okay, as you can see, people are searching for how to create digital product to sell online, how to create digital products, how to create digital planner, how to create digital arts, how to create digital products for Etsy. So let's take, for example, let's take this topic, digital product for Etsy. I will go to Fiverr. Okay, I will go back to my Fiverr homepage and I will click on the search for create digital products. Okay, that's why I always said in my videos, you cannot promote any services, because some people just, they go to Fiverr, they choose any services, then they will come to the comments saying it's not working. No, you didn't did it in the right way. Okay, you need to choose specific services that people are searching for. Okay, you cannot promote any services. So go to Fiverr, search for create digital products, scroll down, you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service, as you can see. So I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose a good seller. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are a good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, so you can earn commission. So let's choose, for example, let me see, I will create, let's see, image for Etsy digital product shop, like this one. For example, this one is making digital products, this one. So let's see if we can find good seller. Okay, I will create high conversion from digital. So just scroll down and you can find some good sellers here. Okay, so for example, like this one is looking really good. As you can see, this one is level 1 seller, he has 5 star. So what you will do, just click on his service. Let's choose this seller. This seller is level 1 seller. I will click on his service and you will be directly in this Fiverr profile page of this seller. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. Okay, just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. This seller has a video. This is really good. So what you will do, double click and you need to save this video to your laptop. Okay, we will use this video to promote our affiliate link in YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna name it digital Etsy. Save. After you do that, what you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search for Canva. Okay, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. It's for free. After you finish, click over here on video. You will be directly in this page over here. So let me show you. Just click on video. Okay, click on video and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to upload this video to your Canva account. It's super easy. Just click over here on upload and click on upload file and upload this video to your Canva account. Okay, let me see the video. Okay, where is the video? Digital Etsy. So here is the video. Click on open and your video will be uploaded to Canva. Okay, this is my video. Open and here you go. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points and click on set video as background. Okay, like this. Like this. Okay, done. Let me see. Okay, so this video is looking good. So what you will do, click over here on text, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. So for me, for example, I will use this one. Just click on the text that you want to use, click on this. I'm gonna delete this part, make this text small, double click and write this sentence: check link in description. Okay, check link in description, like this. Check link in description and I will put this text here. Click over here on elements, click on shape. Okay, and put this shape here like this to make this title looking good. Okay, like this. Okay, check link in description. Okay, and here you go. You just created a video that you can use to promote your affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so people who are searching for how to create digital products for Etsy, they will see this video, they will see this, check link in description, and you will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. So after you finish on Canva, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, okay, go back to YouTube and upload this video to your YouTube channel. Use this title, okay? In your YouTube title, just copy this. Don't change or add anything. How to create digital products for Etsy. Copy this title. Use the same title in your video, okay? And in your description, put your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, or from here, Fiverr Pro or Fiverr CPA. It's the same. This is old plan and this is new plan. They are almost the same, and new plan is better. Okay, you can use this one. Copy your affiliate link, for example, from here. Go to your YouTube description, put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. And start making a lot of videos and use this method. Search for what people are searching for. Go to Fiverr, search for those services, and make a video using Canva, and that's it. Start promoting affiliate links on YouTube for free, and that's it. This is the method that I'm using. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. For people who don't know how exactly to upload a video to your YouTube channel, how to put affiliate link in your YouTube description, check this description of this video. I will leave a link that will show you a video step by step how we can upload this video to your YouTube channel and how we can add your affiliate links in your YouTube description. Okay, and see you in my next video.